Temperature stable. Proceeding to prep.
Scales are perfect. No deviations.
Heat setting the pigmentation now. Thickness confirmed, 0.83.
Precision alignment is holding.
Full power cut. Ensure edges are clean.
Processing metrics are within range.
Sleeve left, collar. Sort the pieces.
Introducing the dichroic finish now. The shimmer is perfect.
The cross pattern embossing is locking in.
Final dimension check. Still perfect.
Ready for assembly floor.
Maximum yield achieved.
All components sorted and validated.
Electroplating finish check.
The surface is alive.
Secure the garment.
Package secured. Initiating transfer. Thank you. That will be all.
Magnificent. Steele & Allen, NYC, the finest. The finest.
Tonight is the night.
Iridescent, I feel like $1 million.
To elegance, to elegance.
Keep the floor clear. We expect the payload.
Maximum yield extraction.
The stitching is flawless.
The breach is accelerating. We must secure the payload. Everyone, clear the area immediately.
Cleanup complete, Doctor.
The compound is breaking down. Alert security.
Cycle integrity restored. Begin batch 2.
The metallic compound is destabilizing the natural scales.
faster than predicted.
Observe the spectral shift. It's degrading the collagen. My skin! What is happening?
All organic residue collected. Disposal Protocol 7.
Check integrity of all transit containers.
We must ensure zero contamination of the next batch. The product is the priority.
Fatal error. The quantum stabilizers failed.
Liner integration, check.
45.7 degrees. The exothermic reaction is continuing.
Only pure gold alloy, as specified.
Mirror finish is essential.
The source material. Untamed.
Increasing the stabilizer by 5%. We can't risk another failure.
Digital twin created. Every flaw logged.
Maximum elasticity is required.
The Viper collar will define the collection.
The city is waiting.
Humidity must remain below 10%.
The core iridescent compounds are separated.
Contamination. Seal the lab immediately.
Ready for my entrance.
Micro-engraving compensation initiated.
So I told him, you can't possibly expect that by Tuesday. It's just unrealistic.
Oh, come on, you know how he gets. But you totally handled it.
Good day, madam. Do enjoy your purchase.
The imitation scales are flawless.
Maintain negative pressure.
The digital backbone of DJK.
It's corrosive, even to the alloy. The stability window is closing.
Cryogenic hold for batch 1 leftovers.
Heat seal complete. Product is hermetic.
The sample is secure. Proceed to extraction point. The target is oblivious.
Nature versus artifice. Which one will last?
The shatter pattern suggests an internal pressure release.
Manual texture restoration is underway.
The jacket needs to be the only statement. Entering isolation zone.
No room for error in the interior.
Safe travels, ma'am.
pH is perfect. Commence dip.
The light capture is phenomenal.
The iridescent blue is the most volatile.
A toast to the night's muse.
The failure has begun.
Make it spotless before the press arrive.
Containment is nominal.
Robot arms must be flawless for micro-precision.
Preserving the integrity of the base material.
Absolutely worth the wait. All parameters stored. The formula is priceless.
Impeccable.
Transaction complete. The client is satisfied.
It was a success, Doctor.
They proved the stability under duress.